Hello and welcome again. As per the promise, we are here to represent non-homogeneous differential equation with the trigonometric function sin x or cos x. So how can we solve a non-homogeneous linear differential equation having the sine and cos terms? So here we go. This is the solution. If your fdy is equals to sin x or cos x, then what you have to do? You have to take 1 by fd square. Point to be noted here. Sin x in d square you have to substitute minus a square. Okay, so your auxiliary equation here, d square minus 5t plus 6. Solve it. D is common, d minus 3 minus 2 is common, d minus 3. If you take d minus 3 is common, d minus 2, d will become 3 and 2. This is your alpha, this is your n1, this is your m2. So your complementary factor will be c1 e raised to power m1x, c2 e raised to power m2x. Okay, now it turns to find out the particular integral, which is like 1 by ft square, which is, firstly you have to take this form, d square minus 5t plus 6, your auxiliary equation. Okay, and here your right hand side value. Now what you have to do, just in place of d square, just substitute this value of a. So, and minus a square. Okay, minus 2 square just in place of d square, and rest of the thing remains as it is into sine 2x. Okay, so here 1 by 4 minus 5t plus 6, so it will become 6 minus 4, 2 minus 5t sine 2x. Okay, 2 minus 5t. Now what you have to do, just rationalize the denominator. Okay, so 2 plus 5t sine 2x. Okay, a minus b, a plus b becomes a square minus b square. Again d square, so again substitute the value of minus a square. That means minus 2 square. Okay, in denominator. It will become minus square is plus, 2 to the 4, 25 4 is 100. Minus minus plus, 2 square 4, 25 4 is 100. So 1 by 104 of 2 of sine 2x plus 5 d of sine 2x. Now differentiation of sine 2x is sine x cos 2x, and for 2 the chain rule, 2x is, the differentiation of 2x is 2. So if you take 2 as common and cut it with it, 2 5 is 10, 2 to the 4 sine 2x plus 5 cos 2x. This is your particular integral. Now your complete solution will be complementary factor plus particular integral. That means c1 e raised to power 3x plus c2 e raised to power 2x plus 1 by 52 sine 2x plus 5 cos 2x. I hope you understand it. Just like this, you have to take the form of cos ax. Sometimes you will notice that instead of having b in numerator, it will in denominator, like 1 by d of cos 2x. So as you very well know that 1 by d, differentiation operator, inverse of that is integration. That means you have to integrate cos 2x with terms of x. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the non-homogeneous differential equation. I hope you will understand whole series of non-homogeneous and homogeneous linear differential equation of order 2. In our next video we'll start with the fresh topic. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.